Hey guys, Mr. Milton here. Today we're going to go through the Semester 1 final exam review. Alright, going through some problems. First we have 2x plus 6 equals 5x minus 9. We are going to get the x's to the same side, and I'm going to do my best to try to keep it positive. So I'm subtracting 2x from both sides. Left with 6 equals 3x minus 9. Add 9 to both sides. I'll get 3x equals 15. And then divide by 3, x will be 5. Number 2, we have this to distribute. Well, actually, we really don't have to distribute. This 6 is multiplying. I'm going to get rid of it. Save myself some space and divide both sides by 6. Okay. Do not have to distribute there, especially since we're just solving for x. That's 8. So x plus 5 is 8. Subtract 5 from both sides, and x equals 3. Number 3, getting x by itself, I am going to subtract 17 from both sides. That'll leave me with negative 5 equals negative x. And then get x all the way by itself, I'm going to divide by negative 1. That'll make x positive. That 5 is now positive. X equals 5. Number 4, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides here. 4/5 x equals 3. Then, to get rid of this fraction, I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal. Multiply by 5/4. Okay, my 5's cancel out, my 4's cancel out. Or if you think about it, 5 times 4 is 20, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 over 20 is 1. Okay, so 1x, or x is by itself, like we want to have it. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 4 is 4. X equals 15/4. Number 2, we want to get rid of this fraction first. I'm going to multiply by the denominator here, multiply by negative 3 on both sides. Cancels out on the right side. I'm left with negative 6 equals 10 plus x. I'll subtract 10 from both sides, and so x will equal negative 16. Number 6, cross multiply, 5 times x minus 7 and 4 times x plus 5. Okay, 5x minus 35 equals 4x plus 20. We distribute to both of those. Get my x's to one side, I'll subtract 4x from both sides. So x minus 35 equals 20. And then I'll add 35 to both sides. And that gives me x equals 55. Get a little solving practice there. Next it says, give the solution to each system of linear equations. First one, they're both in slope-intercept form. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My y-intercept is negative 5. My slope is 2/3, so up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Up 2 over 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is too long. Okay. So I'll use this clipboard to make that straight line there. Okay. Second line's in slope-intercept form as well. Its y-intercept is 2. The slope of negative 1/2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2, down 1 over 2. See my intersection there. And through those lines. Okay, so my solution is where they meet, and that is at the point 6, negative 1. Number 8, doing the same thing. The second equation is already in slope-intercept form, so it's at 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My slope is 4/3. I don't really have space to go up and to the right, so I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. Down 4, left 3, okay. Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left 3, 2, 3. Alright. So my second line's graphed already here because it was already in slope-intercept form. That's nice. Okay. Now my first line is not in slope-intercept form, and it's really not nice for standard form because 4 doesn't go into 15 evenly. So I'm going to try to get it in slope-intercept form by solving for y. Subtract 4x from both sides. That leaves me with negative 3y equals negative 4x plus 15. I'll divide both sides by negative 3. And so y equals 4/3 x minus 5. Okay, notice negative times negative, or negative divided by negative made it positive. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you'll notice here our slopes are the same and our y-intercepts are different. So really what we see, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, is an example of problems with no solution. Okay, parallel lines, no solution in the system. Alright, number 9 and 10, they say write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Slope 1 and y-intercept of negative 5, and so that equation in slope-intercept form, y equals x minus 5, right? Because slope-intercept form is mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Okay, number 10 asks us to write in slope-intercept form as well, but this time they gave it to us in standard form. So in order to write this in slope-intercept form, we need to get y by itself. So we'll subtract 6x from both sides here. We have negative 4y equals negative 6x plus 28. Divide by negative 4 to get y all the way by itself. Get y equals positive. And 6 over 4 simplifies to 3/2 x minus 7. So y equals 3/2 x minus 7. Alright, that's the first page.